welcome to my channel. My name's Eunice if you're new here. So I'm in the car today because I wanted to film another shop with me video, but this time focus it around organization. So as the new year is coming up, I really want to just deep clean and reorganize our entire home, especially the kitchen area and our bathroom. So I came out to see what they have at Daiso. I'm specifically looking for some bins to organize our kitchen towels that's above our fridge. They're just kind of like stacked there and it's looking really messy, so I want to find some things to cover it up. And then while I'm looking for that, I wanted to see what else they have and also come up with some organization ideas for you guys as I'm shopping around. So yeah, if you want to come along with me, then keep watching. So the first thing that I noticed as I walked in were some planners. These are all only $1.50. And they also have some physical paper calendars here off to the side. I really like how minimal this one is. They have some magnetic ones for your refrigerator. And I think these are all really nice if you're looking to reorganize your desk or kind of freshen up your refrigerator and like having to see the calendar up. If you're looking to reorganize your closet, I highly recommend checking out Daiso for these foldable bins. They have them in different sizes. They have these narrower ones. This is a lot smaller and it's got a little handle. And I see this one's a little more cube shaped. It's got a lid. And they have them in a lot of different colors and patterns. This one's really unique. It's got a little marble pattern on it. Here's one that has a little angled top. I think this is great for like storing towels or things that you really want to show, or even scarves. You can roll up scarves and just kind of have the pattern show so that you can easily grab. Here's some hanging organizers. Here's one for storing some clothing, hats, bags, and this one is $4. On the other side, I see a bunch of bins in different colors and sizes. And I see a lot of different use cases for these bins. This one, for example, I think it could easily be a little pen or pencil holder. And then something like this that's a little longer. Here's another one that's a little more narrow. You can use these to organize like socks and underwear in your dressers. I really like this jute style one with this like leather handle. I think it's so pretty. Here's one that's partitioned. And then in the bottom they have the ones in the same kind of weaved patterns. These are also baskets, but they have lids on them. And then in the rest of this aisle, they have a bunch of these canvas material baskets. As you can see, these are a lot more flexible. They can fold down like that. They have some in a floral pattern. I used to have something like this a while ago, and to be honest, I didn't know what to use it for, so I'm not exactly sure like where I would want to have a foldable basket. But yeah, if you have any ideas, let me know below. I just had an idea though. I think this would look really cute for holding a plant. In this section, they have a lot of wooden products. They've got these clothespins. I love these. We have a little grid in our home office and I love using these to hold up little memos and quotes. And then I see a lot of little storage boxes. This one's so cute. It looks like you could use it to hold like little sewing kit products. They've got plate organizers. They've also got these cute little shelves that you can nail into the wall. You can use it to hold little plants or little wall decor. And they've also got more little wooden storage things. I think this would look really cute to hold little spices or again little plants as well. So in the wooden section, they also have a bunch of these like little wooden crates. They have these gray colored ones. They have lighter ones that are a little bigger, and then they've also got this charred design. I think these dual function really well as natural decor pieces, but also to organize things. I can totally imagine plants in all of these. Oh, this one is so nice. So this is like a wall hanging decor piece slash organizer. So you can hang things like your glasses, a watch, really anything that can hang on to this. And I could totally see this being used in the entryway. And they have little hooks so you can hang like umbrellas or things that you need on the go, like keys or a dog leash. And I almost feel like these are misplaced, but these are only $1.50 each. And they also have it in gold. I love how they also put like fake plants on this. I'm in their kitchen section and I found this little knife holder and cutting board holder. This would have been so useful before we got our knife set. We used to just store our knives in the drawers. I really like this, and I like how it double functions as a drying rack as well. So like right after you clean your cutting board and knives, you can just put it on here. So in their chopstick section, I found these little organizers for, I'm assuming it's for utensils. They have one in white and in pink. And I think these are really nice if you like having your utensil out, or if you don't have extra drawer storage for holding utensils, you can have it externally organized. So they look like this inside. You can hold 4 different kinds of things in here. They've got these chopstick or utensil organizers as well. I've seen a lot of these at like Korean restaurants. I'm sorry if the music's really loud, but I'm still in the kitchen area and they have more plate organizers. And then Daiso has a lot of these tin bowls with lids. These are great for if you make like side dishes or sauces. And it seems to stack really nicely as well. Here are a bunch of organization items for the kitchen. Here's a little condiment stand. That's so cute. And then again, here's a different kind of plate organizer. So we've seen 3 so far. We saw the wooden one, the metal one, and this one. This one can hold the most from what we've seen today. And then they also have these stackable wire racks. So as you can see in the photo, these are for stacking little bowls. These are actually really useful. I just don't know how sturdy they might be because I do have quite a lot of bowls and plates. They have more condiment holders. They have a draining accessory stand, So I guess you put like wet utensils here after washing them and it will just drain the water out. That's nice, although this is way too little for what we have. They've got more wire baskets, so these can really be used for a lot of different purposes. Here you can see they even put like plants in them. Here's another really cute one. So this was where I got the white grids that we have in our home office. And what I love about these is that you can really customize it to your use. You could buy several and have it really big, or just have one, and then you can get these little wire baskets to organize stuff on that and hang it up. So I don't know yet, but I have been thinking of getting another one just to organize some like camera gear. I think it'd be really nice to have one wall where I have this, and then I use these like wire baskets to put in little chargers and little like flash drives and things that tend to get lost. Here's another one. These are stackable and foldable, and these seem really good for organizing little kitchen things and seasoning and spices as well. So I found all these hooks here, which I think are great if you're looking to organize some things and hang it up. Up here we have some range hood hooks, This is interesting. So you can hang up like ladle and other like cooking utensils. They have this one that can hook on multiple things. They've also got some over the door hooks, and they have some in this cat design as well. They also have these really cute little tins. You can store things like hair scrunchies or even like bracelets. They have got these makeup organizers. I have something like this at home and it's so useful. It just keeps everything propped up. And I like how this kind of thing forces me to narrow down my makeup products to the essentials on top of my vanity. And they've got a lot more tins. This would also be really nice for like making a little DIY candle. I can also see like storing little cotton balls or band-aids or like washi tape, little craft supplies. If you are a manual toothbrush user, they have a bunch of toothbrush holders here as well, and like really cute designs. There's a panda one, a kitten one. This one can hold multiple. They also have a bunch of dispenser bottles. I think these are so nice and really encourages you to reuse and get those refillable soaps instead of buying a new bottle every time. And I really like how simple this design is. This is so great for dish soap dispensing. You can just press it down with a sponge. Ooh, this is interesting. It's a little ice tray, but also a stalker. So after you make some ice, you can store it in this bin below it. So nice if you don't have an ice maker in your fridge. So one of my favorite reasons for going to Daiso is always for their glassware. They always have the prettiest variety of glassware, and I think glassware can be used really well for organizing, especially your pantry. I have several of these deco jars in our pantry, and we use it to store like nuts and dried perishable goods. And what I love is that it has this like lid that can easily come off and seals it airtight. And then something like this is really good for like storing tea or coffee. This reminds me that I really want to find the picture because I have been inspired by Made by Lisa Lehigh on YouTube. She made a homemade oat milk and I really want to try it. It looks so simple. They have a lot more of these bigger ones on the other side. You can use the longer ones to store like spaghetti noodles. Speaking of spaghetti storage, here's one that's dedicated for it. I think these look a lot cleaner. They have some paper towel holders, a banana holder, and ooh, I really like these cutting boards. They have it color coded for different types of foods, and then it all organizes into this little standing thing. This is really nice. This is actually a really nice gift too. We have found the pictures. You know you're getting older when you get so excited by plasticware. So here's a bunch of things that are also great for organizing your pantry. I have these. I have the taller versions of these for cereal and nuts. Oh, and then what I really like about these is that they have a little spout, so you can easily pour things out of it. Looks like they have a bunch of these smaller ones too. These are stackable. And this whole thing is $3, so they come together. They have these one-touch pots, meaning that you just go like this and it opens, and these are really good for storing sugar. They have more plastic containers. And I love these vegetable washing bins. These are so handy. They're great for just washing things like bok choy or lettuce, and you just kind of run the water through this thing, so the water will filter out without the stuff in here coming out. So I love that. So we are back in the toiletry section, and oh my gosh, this is so nice. This is a little multi-purpose bin that has these separators, so you can put in like literally whatever you want, like accessories. And I think I'm gonna get one. This is only $1.50. I'm definitely gonna get this. I think we're gonna end up using it to reorganize some nails. We have a bunch of nails just lying around in our toolbox. I think this will keep it all separated and really nicely organized. Alright, so this is another one of my favorite spots in Daiso. It's their like office supply and bigger plastic storage boxes and bins. They have these that are for under the bed. I really like the size of these. They're not too big and they're very narrow. It can also stack on top of your closet shelf like that. They have all these different bins in different shapes and colors and designs. So I got these before for organizing our pantry, and I really like them because they've got handles. So they're easy for pulling in and out, and we still use it to hold in a lot of food storage. There's so many options here. I definitely think Daiso has way more bins and basket options than the dollar store. This one's so interesting. It's like a fry tray, so 3-step for dipping it in the flour, the egg, and the breadcrumbs. but then you can also use it just to organize random things in your kitchen. Very multifunctional. They've got these front open door ones where they're stackable, as you can see, but you can also open it like this. I can see these being useful if you have like a big household and you want something to store like your potatoes, your onions. I can also totally see this being used to hold toys. Even for your dog, if you have a dog, you can put like toys in one. You can fill the bottom with some treats. They have binders and folders here for organizing your documents. Oh, sorry. Little boxes like this are great for organizing things and having it also just be out as a decor piece. Hey guys, so I'm back in the car and I just wanted to do a quick haul of what I ended up buying. So I ended up not finding any bins for above our fridge to store kitchen towels in. I realized halfway that Daiso doesn't have any like woven baskets, the kind that I'm looking for. So I think I'm gonna check out TJ Maxx or Marshalls for that. And I'll share what I end up getting in another video that I will be uploading in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna be making an entire like deep cleaning and organizing our home video, so stay tuned for that. But I did end up getting a couple things today. So I ended up getting a pitcher. I totally forgot that I was going to check Daiso for pitchers, and I'm going to be trying Lisa's homemade oat milk, and I'm going to use this to store it in. I think it's like the perfect size. It's not too big. It's gonna fit in our fridge. But yeah, just a simple pitcher. It was $1.50. And then I ended up getting a different nail organizer from the one I was originally gonna get. So the one I was going to get was $1.50, but then I found another one in a different section that's $2, so it's 50 cents more. And the reason why I ended up going with this one is because these sides are removable, and I thought this was better for holding nails because sometimes you have the really long nails. So I thought this was a lot more flexible for 50 cents more, so I ended up buying this one. And that's it. There was so many things at Daiso. I feel kind of like, ooh. And I always knew that, but I think it's just been such a long time since I stopped by that I was like re-amazed again at all the stuff that they had. If you don't live near Daiso, I also recommend checking out the dollar store. From my memory, they also have a bunch of like baskets and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the shop with me video. Let me know in the comments if anything stood out to you and if you would buy any of the stuff that I shared today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel to see more decor and home lifestyle videos from me. And when you do, make sure you hit that bell next to the subscribe button so that you're notified when I upload future videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.